Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you the location of the wireless charger fuse. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2024 up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now this fuse is located actually in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin. So to access it, you see it's gonna be right here. First you have to remove this cover that's on top of here. Then you have to remove this step cover here, and then you have to pop out this plastic piece, and then you have to remove the cover from top of the fuse box. Now this is a bit complicated, so that's why I didn't record all of that, but this is how you access it. And the fuse you need is this fuse right here. It's a fuse number 3. I will try to zoom in a bit more. So it's gonna be 7.5. Is it 7.5? Yes, 7.5 amp fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.